In this video, I'll show you how to create a shine effect in New Premiere. Create a sequence and add a logo or an icon to the timeline. Then open Effects window, search for Lighting Effect, and add it to the layer. Then in Effect Controls, go into Light 1 and set Light Type to Directional. Then left click on the lighting effect to select it. Inside of the tools, left click and hold the Object Mask tool until you see the other options and select the Pen Mask tool. Then inside of the preview, create a skewed rectangular mask to the left of the logo. Make sure it's not touching the logo. Then under the preview, make sure you switch to frame. This will add keyframes for path and transform of the mask. Then move a bit forward on the timeline and drag the mask to the other side. Make sure it's not touching the logo. This will also create keyframes. Now if you play this back, we should have a shine effect. But if it looks red, that means the mask is selected. So just deselect it, click away. So here we have the shine effect. To further customize it, we can go back to the effect controls, increase feather to soften the edges, increase the expansion to make it wider, to make it brighter. Inside of the light 1 settings, there's the intensity. You can just increase that. And here we have the shine effect.